welcome back to the Nightcap. Go ahead and like this, subscribe, share with everyone you know. Go ahead and comment below anything that you want to see next time. Maybe you give this a try, let us know how it went for you. So today we're going to do a spicy Anejo Old Fashioned. I like this mix up on the traditional Anejo Old Fashioned, which I'll get to another time. But really, you think of like a mole sauce. It's sweet, it's spicy, so I like to incorporate this in. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a 1/4 ounce of the agave syrup, and then we're going to splash in 1/2 ounce of homemade jalapeno simple syrup made by one of our viewers. We're going to do 3 dashes of cocoa bitters, 1.5 ounces of the Anejo tequila, which is tequila aged in a whiskey barrel, and then we're going to garnish it and do some major tips today. So let's go ahead and get started here. Like I mentioned, we're going to go ahead and get the 1/4 ounce of the agave syrup. Pow pow right there. Then we're going to do 1/2 ounce of the jalapeno simple syrup. That's going to give it a nice kick. Pour it in there. And then, like I mentioned earlier, we're going to get the cocoa bitters in there, get that chocolate flavor. So hit that with 3 pows, 1, 2, 3. Might do a 4th one. So we're good right there. I can already start smelling the jalapeno, so it's really coming out already. We're going to throw in ice cube. You already know the tricks here, so we're going to do 1.5 ounces of the Don Julio Anejo tequila. When I say the tricks, you know that I'm going to pour 1.5 ounces in here, and we're not going to pour it all in at once. We're going to go ahead and do this in 3 separate little pours, so that way we can stir it, we can get it nice and chilled. So go ahead and stir there, pour a little bit more in. The jalapeno is really coming out right now, so it's going to be really good. Again, like I mentioned earlier, we're going to put some special tricks on this one. But if you want to call it done after that, you would have a delicious drink already. That spice, the chocolate flavor in there, that's a good look already. So now what we're going to do, because this Anejo tequila is aged in a whiskey barrel, we're going to bring more of that smoke flavor out. And go ahead and top it and smoke it. Let that seep down a little bit. Again, I could hit it more, but you don't want it overly smoky. So you just like the nice trickle down, kind of hanging in the glass there. Now I'm really getting hints of the smoke flavor, getting hints of the spice still. So that's looking good. Let's go ahead and take this topper off. See how that's looking. Now we're going to garnish this bad boy with a few items. One, we're going to throw in a cherry. Some of that juice in there too from the black cherry, filthy. Now express some orange peel right in there, throw it in, looking good. But here at the Nightcap, we're not satisfied with just good. So let's go ahead and shave some more chocolate right in there on top. Now she's a beauty.